Well, this came out April 18th this year. U.S. Army documents detail plans to update World War II era ammo plants and debuffs. Okay? Okay. Wow. McAllister, Oklahoma. Many of the U.S. Army ammunition plants, arsenals, and depots, mostly constructed in World War II, are time capsules of the era. The service has tried to update these wartime facilities, but there's much left to do in the 21st. Okay? Alright, wow. Since World War II, trains have carried in supplies and carted out ammunition and cargo containers. The Army has worked to upgrade rail gauges and train cars to keep shipments moving on time, day and night. Okay, now let's get to something down here. Turn everything to like mostly robotic stop and oh, this is nice, but why all of a sudden? Why all of a sudden? That's the thing. The Army's organic industrial base is made up of 23 depots, arsenals, and ammunition plants. Okay. Hang in there, people. What gets me is they got a 15-year plan here, obtained by Defense News, is aimed at posturing to support enduring and modernizing equipment systems, ensuring the ability to surge, reduce single points of failure, identifying and migrating supply chain goof-ups, reducing dependence on foreign suppliers. That's what got me there. I'm going to zoom in on this. See what it says there? Zoom just a little bit more. Reducing dependence on foreign suppliers. That's what the hell this country has been doing for quite some time. You farmed out, outsourced all their industrial might basically to China. All of our steel plants went over there. Everything went over there. When you have to be dependent on a foreign supplier for your livelihood, you're screwed. Now it's time for them damn senators to get off their damn asses, get rid of the Foreign Trade Acts, or the Free Trade Acts. You know, the North American Free Trade Act, the Central American Free Trade Act. What the hell was that other one? There's 3 of them. They need to get rid of them. To hell with that shit of sending all this stuff overseas. There's like right now, China is basically locked down because of one thing. They got the flu over there extremely bad. Nothing's being shipped by cargo ship. Nothing. They're shut down. While we're still here at home waiting for supplies. You can't do that. During World War II, British people over there in England, they are an island nation. Everything that comes into that place has to come in by ship or plane. It's a hell of a way to live and a hell of a way to depend on somebody else. You can't depend on anybody else in this world. This country needs to get back to being self-reliant, self-sufficient. And if the stupid son of a bitchin' senators and the congressmen and the president and everybody else that's involved can't see that, all you have to do is project yourself into a doggone war and see where in the hell we would be within a month. Can't depend on foreign suppliers. If it ain't made here, you don't need it. This global economy can be shoved up their global behind. Okay, well, let's get back here to the beginning, because I want to if I don't get this in there at some time, then when I need a thumbnail, it's not there. And this will get your attention to understand what the hell's going on in this country. It has been for a long time. Bush and all those assholes, everybody got their wallets stuffed with money to pass these damn bills. These damn free trade bills. Wake up. Who suffers while these guys pocket money in their wallets? You do. That's a pretty good rant for today.